Janesville because I saw a severe thunderstorm over
Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
This is Janesville.
Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, Lodi, Gwinnett, Rio, Arlington, Waukegan, Bluffview, Otsego, Merrimack, Doylestown, Harmony Grove, Aki, and Interstate 90/94 interchange. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dane County is canceled.
Just switched over to Janesville to see if the severe thunderstorms are still going on. And then, right as I click on it, I thought it was static, so I thought it was off the air, but it was just the in-between of the headers, and I was like, gotta get my phone out, gotta record this. So.
County in south central Wisconsin, north central Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area.
There we go.
Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.